Hello, my PC students. We're going to do another VLOOKUP, which means vertical lookup. So let's go to File, Open, go to Browse, and go to your classes drive, go to PC, go to Teaching Docs, go to If Statements, and open up the one called XX Grading Scale. Right there, XX Grading Scale. Okay, and so now, wait till I bring it over here so that you can see it. Alright, and let's go File, Save As, go to Browse, we'll go to your U drive, Print.com, go to Excel, If Statements, click in your file name box, press Home, and I'll type in my first name and the current date, and you type in the current date for you, and save it. Alright, I want to go to View, and I want to go to Zoom, and we'll go to 150. Okay, so first of all, we've got final marks, and then we've got their overall mark. Okay, some people this person doesn't have a mark, so we'll check out some things here. Name sheet 1 marks, so we're going to call it marks, and we're going to name sheet 2 grading scale. Okay, now take a look at our grading scale. We'll go to Zoom first, and I'll put it up to 150. Okay, we have our marks. Note that 49 is the lowest in our table, so anything under 49 is not going to find. And then there's 50, and 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90. So there's a range of marks. If you're between 50 and 59, you're going to get a D. If you're between 60 and 69, you'll get a C. If you're between 70 and 79, you'll get CB. So there's a range of marks to be aware of. Then we have their letter grades for the range, and we have the grade points that they get as a result, and we've got comments. Now, as I said to you before, if you can't remember where things are, then print this sheet out for yourself so that you can remember. But what's the lookup value? Is column number 1. The mark is the lookup value. Alright, we want to define this, so hold down your Shift key and click here. Note I didn't take any column headings, just the columns. Alright, I click in my name box and I put a T in front to tell you that it's a table for vertical lookup, and we're going to call it marks. Okay, T marks. Now we go back, okay, and we go to your mark sheet, and we want to click in cell column F here, and we want to find the letter grade. So I'm going to type in letter grade here and press enter, and I'll widen my column. Okay, so I want to have VLOOKUP, so I want to say equals VLOOKUP. Open your parentheses, and the lookup value is the overall mark. That's what I want to look up. Comma, and what's the table called? Remember F3, T marks, okay, comma, and the answer, the letter grade, is in column 2. Remember, the lookup value was in column 1, the letter grade mark was in column 2, comma, but this time I want to have the range lookup as an approximate match, because remember, it's from 60 to 70 or 70 to 80. Okay, so I'm going to put in true. Close my parentheses and press enter. And I got the letter C, which is right. And I'm going to drag down. And here 47 was not in our database, so it put in not available. Okay, blank cell, it had to say not available, but it gave us all. Note the 59 is only a D. They needed 60 to get to the C. Okay, so that's good. Save your work. All right, and then the next thing that it asks us to find is the grade point. So I'm going to put in my heading grade point. In other words, how many points did you get for your mark? So once again, we want to say equals VLOOKUP. Open your parentheses, and the lookup value is still the overall mark, comma, the table array, F3, still T marks. Okay, now comma, now where was the grade point? The grade point was in column 3, so we've got to put in a 3, comma, and it's a approximate lookup, so it's true. Close your parentheses, press enter, and for the C you got 1 point. And then 2 points for a CB. AB got a 3.5, A got a 4. Okay, and then the last one, and I went Control S to save there, was look up the comment. Okay, look up the comment. All right, well, comment. And we want to say equals V lookup. Open your parentheses, still looking at the overall mark, comma, and the table F3 T marks, and comma. Where's your answer this time? The comment is in column 4. So you've got to put in a 4, and again, it's still an approximate match, so it's true. Close the parentheses, press enter, and this mark restricts entry. You can't get into university with a mark of 66. Not going to happen. All right, so grab your fill handle and drag down. Minimum mark for entry, 71. 78 was minimum. 87 opens many doors. 91, you have many paths open for you. And 0.5, try a different level. So all different comments that were filled in according to the mark that you got. All right, so that's your VLOOKUP, and I think by now you should be pretty good with that, following that. But always remember, you have to define your table, and you check it, click on the drop down, it's defined properly. If it's defined properly, then when you come back here, your work will, everything will work 100%. All right, so save that, and we'll stop there.